Hey guys, Thursday, February 1st of 2024, US session close. Let's get into it. Got my pitchfork, watching closely to see if nat gas could crack that to at least test 194 for this value area low. But if it's going to go to the value area low of 198, chances are it's going to probably even kiss 194. The only thing I'm thinking is that in order to my wave 5 to work out, we can't go down too soon. We can't just go down there now. It's my strategy or what I'm forecasting won't play out. It'll get void. So my thinking is we have to somehow, this could even be a fail new low and now rip. Statistically, Friday's a bullish day, 1.12% bullish trading day. On top of that, Groundhog Day. And the weekday is bearish, but you make the most money. You got $3 signed. You got $4 signs today. And you know what? It played out well. As long as price was below VWAP and below 210, you did good. Interesting also is that, and I'll get to it on the midpoint chart, but look at volume. Bears took it. I think there was a report that came out. Somebody put a comment on my on my video comment section about about some reports coming out, which I'm not even aware of. I never knew that report existed. It's good to know. But statistical calendar. It's all statistics. Is it always guaranteed to work out? No. Don't get all pumped out. I'm waiting for that calendar for next week because I'm going to be trading that. No, you can't do it like that. It doesn't work like that. Nothing, we'd be millionaires. You and me would be billionaires if it was like that. It's not like that. It's a hit or miss. Some work out, some don't. Sometimes we'll get a dry spell when nothing's working. And here and there you get some hits. But, it's just something to give you a little, okay, this is what statistically has happened today. Let's see if it plays out. These are my rules. If it's bearish and meets this criteria, then I'm going to go short. And if it's, bullish, chances are the statistical calendar is going to be wrong. And this is the setup for going long or going bullish. So that's the premise. I want you to see the statistical calendar. Now that is a crystal ball. Nothing's guaranteed. I digress. MACD on the daily hasn't turned positive yet. We're hanging around the linear regression channel on the bottom. We're below. We're still here. I don't like this area. I like this area. And this is what I'm thinking. We might probably pop. You could probably do a trend line. Somewhere in the future, maybe just fail and go down to do this wave 5. But you know what? That's what I'm kind of leaning and planning for. I don't know if it's going to work out. Price action is going to do what it's going to do. Let's look at midpoint chart and look at targets to the downside. There's a target for tomorrow at $1.97, $2, and this 203 that we keep bouncing. So that's what I'm kind of thinking is like, is a fail new low. We really didn't take it out with volume and strength. Statistical calendar saying, you know what? There could be a possible pop Friday. And if we could get above the VWAP and if we could get above 210, I don't think it's changed. As of now, we get above 210. You got targets of 216, 220, and 224 for tomorrow. You can see that this level right here is at 202. You got 216, 231 for the week. It's a big pop according to the statistical calendar. And this was a big drop. What I wanted to show you is notice this. Around 5-ish, always in the overnight, the big moves happen. I think you just need to probably put like a volume indicator. I know in the overnight's kind of slow, but once it starts picking up, that's when you have to start really zoning in, especially if you trade in the overnight. Because the most money was made from here all the way down here. If you wait for the US session, you just got this. But if you look at the overnight, you would have seen this level here. You would have been like, okay. And watch volume start, getting stronger and picking up. You could have rolled this momentum down. But around 5 a.m. or around there, 4 or 5, things start picking up. You should probably look into that, maybe do a study. Looking at our 4 hour, same thing, 203 is the low. There's more levels down here, which is 169. But yeah, if you get down there, that's my wave 5. And I think it's too soon. So I'm thinking we need to, if we get that bounce, I think we need to continue. Maybe you could, do a trend line or something and see if it fails there. And then eventually somewhere in February, March, do that wave 5 below. That's what I'm thinking. That's where I'm looking where the puck is going to go as a hockey player. I'm guessing, where it's probably going to go. I'm not going to make this video too long, but I just want to give you a quick update for the U.S. close session. I got to work on my uranium spot price report that I do monthly. Hopefully I can get it done. And if I don't, I'm going to take my time because there's a lot, moving parts going on with there. And I want to, dissect that really good. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.